This is John with Cruising Addicts. We took the Casa Bacardi Tour while in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we're going to share our experience with you. Sit back and enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content. Happy sailing!
Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
We took the Casa Bacardi Tour available through Viator while on an Eastern Caribbean cruise to Puerto Rico. The cost of the excursion starts at $44.60 per person, and the tour lasts for about an hour. A welcome rum cocktail is included, as well as a taste of Bacardi Limited Premium Rum. This tour is wheelchair accessible, and transportation from the cruise port is not included. Minors under 18 are not allowed to participate, and the tour has a maximum of 36 participants per group. Located just a short drive from San Juan, Casa Bacardi is the largest rum distillery in the world and offers a unique experience for visitors interested in learning about the Bacardi brand, its history, and the rum distillation process. A visit to this iconic distillery not only gives you a glimpse into the art of rum making, but also immerses you in the rich heritage of Puerto Rico. Founded in 1862 by Don Facundo Bacardi Maso, Bacardi has grown from a small distillery in Santiago de Cuba to a global leader in the rum industry. The brand is synonymous with high-quality rum and boasts a legacy of innovation and flavor that has made it one of the most recognized spirit brands worldwide. In 1960, the Bacardi family moved its operations to Puerto Rico, where it continues to thrive. Upon arrival at Casa Bacardi, visitors are greeted by stunning views of the distillery. The tour typically begins with a brief introduction to the history of Bacardi and its founder. You'll learn about the company's migration to Puerto Rico and its growth over the years. The Casa Bacardi Tour features several interactive exhibits showcasing the various stages of rum production. Here you can see the fermentation, distillation, and aging processes up close. Each segment includes informative displays that explain how Bacardi creates its distinctive flavors. One of the highlights of the tour is the rum tasting session. Led by an expert guide, visitors have the opportunity to sample some of Bacardi's best rum. This sensory experience not only allows you to savor high-quality rum, but also deepens your appreciation for the intricate flavors developed during the distillation process. For those interested in cocktail making, Casa Bacardi offers a mixology workshop where participants can learn to craft classic Bacardi cocktails, such as the mojito or piña colada. Under the guidance of skilled bartenders, you'll get hands-on experience in mixing and garnishing, and of course, you'll get to enjoy your creations. The grounds of Casa Bacardi are beautiful and worth exploring. Visitors can take a stroll around the distillery and appreciate the lush tropical landscape. The site features a gift shop where you can purchase Bacardi merchandise and limited edition bottles to take home as souvenirs. The Casa Bacardi Tour in Puerto Rico is not only a fantastic way to learn about rum, but also a celebration of Puerto Rican culture and heritage. Whether you're a rum connoisseur or just curious about the distillation process, this tour promises an educational and enjoyable experience that you won't forget. We enjoyed this excursion, and it was a memorable part of our visit to San Juan. Seeing the Bacardi factory up close and learning the history of the company was an amazing experience. We would give this an excursion an 8 out of 10 and would recommend it if you're looking for something to do for a couple of hours in San Juan that is fun, educational, and not expensive. We will include a link to book this tour as well as other Bacardi experiences in the video description below, as well as links to other San Juan shore excursions. We hope you enjoyed this video of our experience at Casa Bacardi. Happy sailing!